Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you're someone who likes Izindaba Zabantu, you are definitely in the right channel. Guys, today we are talking about Uthando Nesimbu. What the hell is happening there, guys? Like, what the hell? Because Asana, so turns out that Macele was also told by Umusa Mseleko to leave her job. Macele, which is the first wife. Yeah? And we've also discovered, Kesana, in this new season, we have discovered that the last wife, number 5, Usamke Kwela, was also told by Umusa Mseleko to leave her job because being a Mseleko wife is an actual job. So Mseleko was like, no, leave your job, take care of our child, and then I'll take care of you financially. That's why we have this video that we saw where Umakwela, number 5, was asking for money, was asking for an increase, saying that her salary was not enough. And then Umusa Mseleko only gave her 100 rands. He only gave her 100 rand, guys. 100 rand. The more you get older, the more you realize 100 rand is actually 1 rand to an adult. Because Zana Zineng isn't that we have to buy. And also, there are rumors that he recently bought Usamge a car, which is a good thing, when you have a child, guys. Speaking from experience, speaking from someone who has a child and doesn't have a car, when you have a child, you definitely need a car. Because sana public transport, ngapha umntwana is making all those noises, crying for people's things there, kuning. So you definitely need your own car, which is a good thing that Umseleku finally got her a car. And it's also fair because all the wives have cars that he bought for them. Ne? So the Mseleku wives, uMangwabe, Makhumalo, and Umayeni recently found out ukuthi Musa Mseleku also told Usamge to just quit her job. Like, I'm your man, I'll take care of you. And then they were like, Njani, because uMakhumalo, Mangwabe, and Umayeni, they are working. Ne? Umacele, I don't know why she's not working, yes. And but now she also revealed to Guti Musa Mseleko was like, no, babe, just quit your job. I'm here as your man. I will take care of you. You are Mseleko wife, so you won't even have to lift a finger. So these three, yes, and Umangwabe, Makhumalo, Mayeni, bathola manje ukuthi hayibo, these people were told to quit their job because our husband is going to take care of them. And then they were like, njani sana? Like in Jan, because Tina, we are working and we are your wives, and you've never told us to quit our jobs. So now they are concerned ukuthi kanti abanjani laba abatshelwayo to quit their jobs, because nathi we would like to be just sitting at home and getting paid. But bona, they didn't know ukuthi being a Mseleku wife comes with a salary. They didn't know ukuthi being a Mseleku wife comes with duties, sana, that you need to be paid for. Because if you have a child, you are taking care of that child. It is your child. Like, why do you need to get paid for it? So they discovered, okay, sana, we are being played here. And also, we are being played because sana, we are against Indamaka number 5, as we all know. Umangwabo, Makhumalo, Mayeni, they are against Indabaka number 5. And this one that just got here now, she already has a place. Good one, you just need to relax, Isana. Don't worry about the thing. So these three, they're like, you need to pay us back for all these years that we have worked. At some point, Umangwabe and the production, they do some calculations there, Guma sessions, Bibles, how long have you been with Musa Mseleko? And she's like, I think 15 years or something like that. And then they start doing calculations. Is Musa Mseleko going to be able to cover all these finances? Because Isana, if it's a job being a Mseleko wife, then you also need to get compensated. Mangwabe also goes as far as saying that she will take Musa Mseleko to the CCMA, because what the F is happening here? And then people have been saying things like, no, Musamseleko told these two, Umacele and also number 5, to quit their jobs because he wants to have control over them. He wants to like have a say in their lives. Ukuthi they must listen to him because they know where their bread is buttered. And then people were like, "Oh, okay, it makes sense why Umacele allowed number 5 to come in because Zisana, she is relying on Umusamseleko financially. So she is just thinking, good, yo, if I go against this man, I may not get my allowances. I may be in trouble with my boss. So I need to follow protocol. So I really don't know, guys. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think Umusam Seleko is telling these people to quit their jobs so that he can have control over them? I don't know. But if it's a job being Mseleku wife and you are getting paid for it, why aren't you telling all the wives to quit their jobs and you'll pay them for being Mseleku wife? Like why le category le i-select abanye ngabaselekthi? Make it make sense. And on top of that, Musamselek wants to be added on the medical aid yakamangwabe, which is um the medical aid that she is getting because she is a nurse. She is working and you don't want the other wives to work. And now you want her to add you to her medical aid. Like double standards, sana, double standards nje kuningi in that household. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.